Good day, class. My name is Uncle Wisdom. Today we shall be solving the exercise of the previous class. So as we solve, compare it with your results to see if you get them right. If you didn't get them, please endeavor to do the correction. So the first one, solution. The first one says, write 8/9 in a simplest form. Number one, 8/9 in a simplest form. So what you now do is to find the factors of 8 and factors of 9. Factors of 8, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 8, and 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. So in this now you find out that there's no common factor between two of them. Therefore 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, multiplied by 2 will give us 8, and 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 9. Therefore 8/9 remains the answer. So we now take number 2. Number 2 says, write 30/2 in a simplest form. 30/2/12, which is equal to, you find their factors. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is 30. While 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 2 is common, and at the same time 3 is also common. We remove them to get 5 and 2 as the common factors. This now can still be breaking down into 5 divided by 2 will give us 2 whole number 1/2 as our answer. That is that for the previous class exercise. Please compare to see if you get them right. If you didn't, please make the corrections. Thank you very much, and God bless you.